to my YouTube channel.
Ang spicy.
Cheers. So today we are in Okavango Restaurant, African restaurant next to Crocodile Park.
Is this alive? I mean, it's preserved.
Preserve one. Frozen cakes. Let's see the restaurant and come.
Hello. Thank you.
Like to sit outside.
Oh, is it open outside?
Yeah. Hello. What's that?
That's an elephant.
Elephant?
Skull. The skull.
Seriously? Elephant skull is like this? Oh, yeah, correct.
So this is the front view. Now look at the brain. The side where the brain is very small.
Brain.
Only this much?
Yes.
Brain. Okay. But they have good memory, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So African food, what we can
Maybe
use it?
African
maybe I'll
food.
taste yours.
They have the African map in front of them. If you see the map, just know
Okay.
the food is African.
Okay, so what are these, baby?
These are pizza. It's spicy. Harissa chicken pizza.
Okay, it's African, yeah? I will have this one then.
So you want the harissa chicken pizza?
Yes.
And then we'll take that one.
African pizza. How big is that?
Is the large size. It's cut into 6.
Large.
Okay, I think that's one enough.
Yeah, it's both of us, huh? Of course. Inside.
We'll move inside.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So one pizza, one chicken wings, one water, small, or
Yeah.
big,
Small. Yeah.
and one crocodile.
Yeah. We'll be in 10 minutes. You just go around and come to this small table.
All right.
Thank you.
Okavango. Oh, it's nice. You can sit down here.
Oh, here there is light, right?
Yeah.
So ask him to bring here. Yeah.
I thought it's different restaurant. Same. Okavango Terrace.
So this is jungle jive for you, madam. And we have H2O water.
All African country food not same, right?
Africa is a continent,
Correct.
not a continent.
Yeah.
So, and in the continent, we have over 50 countries.
Okay.
And each country have more than 150 languages.
150 language.
More than 150 languages. And different tribes. And these tribes, they have their culture, where the food comes from.
Yeah. So this food is basically
We try to have a fusion of both Africa and intercontinental.
Okay.
So we pick some part from the West Africa, some part from the East Africa, some part from the North Africa, and some part from the South Africa.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
See ya.
Cheers.
Wow, fresh from
So
the.
this one sauce, as usual in any pizza, tomato sauce.
Possibly I will use the harissa sauce, but it's more spicy, so it will be a problem.
Okay.
Paki-lower po yung ano.
Hari harissa basically chili.
Yeah, it's pure.
Oh,
It's like in the Philippines, it's
we don't
chiling
know.
labuyo.
We didn't know that.
Chiling labuyo.
Wow.
But it's like grind already.
Okay.
Can you put at least little bit on one corner so I can taste?
Ah, ano po kasi siya? Kumakain ng chili.
But with the chili sauce,
Yeah,
oh,
just one corner at least for me to taste. See how spicy is that? So this is
you want the one the side only, huh?
yeah. So this is pure chili sauce
Yeah.
called harissa. But here harissa is not that.
No, I'll put on that side.
Yeah. This is nice. This become very entertaining.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. So what you put here? Chicken.
So chicken, that is marinated
Okay.
with the harissa sauce.
With harissa sauce. Yeah.
Yes, and mix with all the ingredients.
Okay. So tomato sauce, cheese, and then chicken marinated in harissa sauce.
Sorry, ma'am. Mostly that one is feta cheese.
Oh,
Feta cheese. Yeah.
Yeah, but I make the mozzarella.
That's fine.
Wow, special. Special mo, kuya.
Feta cheese, I didn't expect this one. The pizza, because I'm working 10 years, 14 years in Italian.
Wow.
Feta cheese, I'm not fanatic for that one. It's Greek.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Greek is the one who is
Use
eating that one.
feta cheese. Yeah.
Feta cheese. In the salad, pizza.
Otherwise mozzarella.
Yeah.
And what this?
This one is bell pepper.
Oh, bell
capsicum.
pepper.
Yeah. So I cook it inside
Hmm.
with and then I remove the skin.
Okay. What is it?
It's caramelized onion.
Onion.
Okay.
Caramelized.
All right. Let's go pizza. And how long it will take?
In 3 minutes it will be in your.
Oh, seriously? That fast?
No, if it is wooden oven, it's less than 1 minute. It's 60 seconds. It's wooden oven. Because first my work is in my
this
work
one
is in Saudi. I've been in a wooden oven. It's
Takes time.
no, it will be less than 1 minute.
1 minute pizza will be ready.
Yeah. But the temperature of that one is 450 minimum.
And this one?
And this one I set only 380, 400 like that.
Okay. You are from which part of Philippines?
Quezon province.
Ah.
It's province of one of the provinces.
The one I keep, the Villa Escudero.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
You've been there.
It's there.
Yeah,
Been
opo.
to
That one is
Villa
very nice
Escudero.
area.
You've been to Villa Escudero.
No, I didn't. I
We
was
been
proud
there.
of
We been to Villa Escudero.
You?
Yeah.
It's good for you because I didn't go there yet. Yeah, I came from the Quezon. It's very near from Cotuan. That is
But-
from Chaong,
Ah.
Quezon, Candelaria, and I came from Sariaya.
Oh.
Okay.
So I've been in the village. It's Mount Banahaw, you know that.
Yeah. The
Mount
one,
Banahaw is my area.
the one
Okay.
I'm watching, those vloggers, farmers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ay, Dolores.
Dolores is near.
Oh,
7 minutes maximum.
para sa family na yun, no?
African pizza ready.
Oh, that's nice.
Sorry. Now, I forgot which one is with harissa.
Harissa.
Okay. She will bite and
Yeah.
order one
Which
more
one
juice.
is spicy?
So you will get one more order.
Oh yeah, we forgot which one is spicy.
I think this side is not spicy.
It's okay. Like, that's
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. hi to RD. RD, our church member before.
To subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Guys, pa-subscribe daw sa YouTube channel niya. Ay, nako. Ang spicy. Hello. Thank you so much. Oh, we're so full.
You're so full, eh?
What to do with this one?
I pack it for you.
Can we? Oh,
You eat it from home.
yeah.
Because I think you love that taste, right?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Very nice.
Thank you.
It's from Africa, yeah. Even the pizza from Africa.
You are from which part of Africa?
I'm from Uganda.
Oh, you are from
Oh,
Uganda.
Yeah.
Miss Uganda.
We
All
have,
of you from Uganda.
we have Nigeria, we have Cameroon, we have Zambia, we have Kenya, we have Uganda, we have, now the rest are Sri Lanka.
Ah, we
We
have
have
Sri
Sri
Lankan.
Lankan.
Filipino.
We have our chef, one of our chefs.
Ah, okay.
Oh.
Yes. We have a Filipino, we have the Indians, we have Morocco.
Almost.
Wow.
We have a lot of
Nepal.
We have Nepal.
Yeah.
Bring every country
Mhm.
so that our guests can feel at home.
Yeah.
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 Very nice, really.
Okay.
And we have the big pizza. Oh.
Which pizza did you have?
That is.
You are African.
Very nice.
Actually, he recommended it.
You recommended.
So,
And I'm glad you loved it.
you know.
We really love it.
Thank you. Oh, thanks, Marcy. Oh, okay, one subscriber, si Marcy Jen.
Thank you.
Ang kulit niya.
You are my friend then now.
Ang kulit niya.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Carol. Thank you, Francis. Yeah, you eat it already. And we got your name from Carol.